Just a small tutorial on how to use the upstairs bedroom TV. On the controller, you will be able to see the on button up at the left hand side. We'll switch that on. Now you can see it has given 3 options. We're going to go over to the right hand option, go to home. By doing that, we're going to use the controller using the right arrow across, pressing OK in the middle. As you can see here, all of your apps have come straight up on the home screen. Some of the apps including Netflix, BBC iPlayer, Disney Plus, Amazon Prime Video, YouTube and much more. Over here you will find Freeview Play. This is also on your controller here. As you can see, if we are to press that, that will take us over to our Freeview channels, Big Brother, everything else you would like to watch. Down onto BBC iPlayer, ITV, Channel 4, Channel 5, and so on and so forth. To go back, we would press Home, which is underneath the bottom arrow on the controller. This takes us back to our original page where you will find all of your apps. Your internet access will be through the apps at the end. More apps, pressing OK. And here we have everything that you would possibly need. Again, to go back off this page, you would come back to the home button, press the home button, takes you back to the original page. This is where you will find everything that you need, and that is how you use the upstairs TV. Thank you.